Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this lemon and turmeric lip scrub for dark lips. If you know you have dark lips, this is for you. So first we'll get a bowl and then we'll add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. You can use any kind of sugar. Next we're going to have to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric helps to get rid of dark patches. Turmeric also brightens the lips. After adding that and giving it a good stir, next we want to add lemon powder. Lemon powder is a very good lightening ingredient which is going to help us lighten our lips. Next on our list are our oils. We're going to start with the castor oil. I'm adding 5 drops of that. I'm also going to add vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is also good for moisturizing the lips and keeping it hydrated. Let's add 5 drops of that. Next we're going to also add 5 drops of glycerin oil, which is also a good humectant and can help keep the lips moisturized. Next is coconut oil, which has a lot of vitamins and also keeps the lips hydrated and moisturized. Just to add a little bit of spiciness to this scrub, I'm adding mint, a few drops of that, and also to add color, I'm adding a blue coloring. Just 1 drop of that is enough, but then it's going to turn green because there's a lot of turmeric in this lip scrub. Also, I'll be adding honey, which is a very good humectant and moisturizer for the lips. This is a very important ingredient. After adding all ingredients, we're going to give it a good stir. This lip scrub is capable of getting rid of every dark cell on your lips and also lightening the lips. If you use this continuously, then you are sure to have brighter lips and pinker lips. You can vary your ingredients while making this lip scrub. You can add more sugar, add more honey, add more oil, just as you want. There is no hard and fast rule to making this. Just ensure that it is not watery. Just ensure that your lip scrub is not watery. So that is what my own lip scrub texture looks like, and I think it's fine here. I just love the way this thing turned out. Now I'm just going to grab my clean container and put all my lip scrub inside. Take a look at it. I just love the way the color blends with the carpet. So I can already smell that mint flavor, and then the green, also the turmeric. Everything just smells so amazing. In my next video, I'm going to show you how I use this lip scrub on my lips to achieve pink lips. Don't forget to store this in your refrigerator, not in the freezer. Keep airtight cover. Use morning and evening, and also use a lip balm. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment below in the comment section. What do you think about this lip scrub? Are you going to try it? It will definitely brighten your lips and get rid of those dark patches. Thanks for watching. Until my next one. Bye.